teachers, and all my dear schoolmates. I am Chitransha Bharti of class 12th Bio, standing before you all to conduct today's assembly activity. Starting a day with a better mindset and an inspirational thought, I would like to call my friend Siddhi.
Yes. Today's thought is living in favorable and unfavorable situation is called part of living, but smiling in all those situations is called art of living. Or living in favorable and unfavorable situation is called part of living, but smiling in all those situations is called art of living. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhi. As we all know that the world is moving on in a hurry, and if we don't catch up, we might get left behind. So, to keep us updated, I would like to call Namrata.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and one and all present here. Today's news headlines are: international news. First, Germany summons China envoy over Red Sea laser. Second, US issues sanctions against UN investigator probing abuses in Gaza. Third, global leaders gather in Rome to unveil Marshall Plan-style recovery for Ukraine. Fourth, Earth rotation speeds up unexpectedly, making July 9 shortest day in history. National news first. PM Modi wraps up 5-nation tour BRICS summit participation. Second, Bharat Bandh, sea laborers and farmers gather to protest. Third, an earthquake of magnitude 4.4 struck near Jhajjar, Haryana, causing tremor in the Delhi NCR region. Fourth, the Supreme Court directed the Election Commission to consider Aadhaar, voter ID and ration cards as valid proof for the revision of electoral's role in Bihar. Some sports news. First, women cricket is hitting historic highs with T20 series wins. Second, domestic leagues in Kabaddi, Rugby and football are expanding and drawing attention. Third, government support and policy changes are shaping the future of Indian sports infrastructure and participation. Thank you.
Once a man said that all the art of living lies in a fine mingling of moving on and letting go. So, now to keep us motivated, I would like to call Anshika.
सुप्रभात, मैं अंशिका जैन आपके समक्ष एक ऐसी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जो किसी दूर देश की मंजिल के बारे में नहीं है, बल्कि उस मंजिल की ओर जाने की बात करती है जो हमारे भीतर छिपी है। इस कविता का शीर्षक है मंजिल। यात्रा पर निकला हूँ, लोग बार बार पूछते हैं कहाँ, कितना चलोगे, कहाँ तक जाना है। मैं मुस्कुरा कर आगे बढ़ जाता हूँ, किससे कहूँ कि कहीं तो नहीं जाना, बस मुझे इस बार अपने तक आना है। यह कविता हमें सादा लेकिन गहरा संदेश देती है कि जब दुनिया पूछती है कहाँ जा रहे हो, तो शायद जवाब यह होना चाहिए कि मैं अपने आप के पास जा रहा हूँ। मंजिल हमेशा नक्शों पर नहीं होती, कभी कभी सबसे लंबी यात्रा वो होती है जो हमें फिर से खुद से मिलवाती है। तो आइए इस दौड़ती भागती दुनिया में थोड़ा रुके और अपने गंतव्य यानी खुद तक पहुंचने की ओर पहला कदम बढ़ाएं। थैंक यू।
For a wonderful poem. Now the time has come for our traditional custom, the word of the day. So I would like to call Priyani.
Good morning everybody. Today word of the day is pensive, which means thinking deeply and quietly about something serious. This word can be used in sentence like he looks pensive for a day. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyani. At last, but not the least, we should end our assembly activity with some knowledge. So, for some fun facts, I would like to call Sunny.
Welcome everyone. Let's spark our day with purpose and knowledge. Today I am here to tell you about some knowledgeable and attractive fact about human physiology. Did you know that it's not possible to sneeze with your eyes open? Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Third, the human body contains enough iron to make 3-inch nail. Fourth, if uncoiled, the DNA in all the cell of your body would stretch from the earth to the sun and back over 600 times. Fifth, taste buds have a lifespan of about 10 to 14 days and are constantly regenerating. Sixth, our body has about 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Sunny. Transformation can happen only through understanding and not by imposing. Let me repeat it. Transformation can only happen through understanding and not by imposing. With these lines, I would like to end our today's assembly activity. Thank you and have a good day.